Welcome back to 10 Line Story channel. Today's topic is irregular rain pattern and the impact. An unexpected, uneven, or unpredictable distribution of rain is called irregular rainfall. It causes drought in some regions while leading to floods in others. It affects food security. Excess rainfall damages standing crops and fertile soil. Water scarcity rises in area with low or no rainfall. If you find the story is good, then please do like, share, and subscribe 10 Line Story channel to see English and Hindi videos. Let's move to the next point. Groundwater levels decline due to inadequate recharge. It disturbs the natural ecosystem and affects biodiversity. Irregular rainfall increases the spread of waterborne diseases. Poor communities suffer more as their livelihood depend on stable rainfall. It worsens the impact of climate change. So keep watching Timeline Story channel. See you next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.